Okay, we are back. And today we're going to be unboxing this movie called Violent Night, which is a collector's edition, Blu-ray slash DVD combo. Looks pretty interesting. Oh, one of the discs came out. So let's give away this digital code. Here. There's the digital code. Enter code points towards a free movie, so there you go, there's that. Anyone that wants it. I put the disc back, slid out. So there's the cover. The spine, the back here, all the bonus features, good stuff, and of course the inside there with the DVD and the Blu-ray. So there you have it, guys. That is it for this video. I'm out of here and see you later.